Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a refresh button in Microsoft Access. This is a really useful feature when you're working with forms and databases that need to display updated information in real time. Let's get started. First, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading into your database. Make sure everything loads properly so you can work with your data smoothly. Once the software has loaded along with your data, we can begin creating the refresh button. Click on the Create tab at the top part of your screen. This is where all your tools are located for building forms and other database objects. From here, look for the Form option and click on it. This will open up the Form Designer where you can start customizing your form. Now we're in the Form Designer, which is where the magic happens. You'll need to add in a button from the Form Designer tools and drag it to your form. Position it wherever makes sense for your layout. Once the button is added, you'll want to rename it to Refresh so it's clear what the button does when users see it. Next, look at the property sheet on the right side of your screen. Navigate to the Other tab and change the name property to Refresh as well. This keeps everything organized and helps you reference this button properly in your code. Now it's time to add the actual refresh functionality to make this button work. Click on the Event tab in the property sheet. From there, locate the OnClick property and click on the three-dot icon next to it. A dialog box will appear asking you to choose how you want to build the event. Choose Code Builder from the options and then click on OK. This will open a Visual Basic window where you can add your code. Don't worry if you're not familiar with coding, this is incredibly simple. In the window that opens, simply type in refresh between the lines of code that are already there. This single word acts as the command to refresh the page, updating any data displayed in your form. Once you've typed in refresh, click on Save to store your code. This ensures the button will now refresh your page or form whenever it's clicked. Before you close everything, don't forget to save your form as well so all your changes are preserved. And that's it. You've successfully created a working refresh button in Microsoft Access that will update your form data whenever you need it. This simple addition can save you a lot of time when working with dynamic databases. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.